Ryan here for Silly Reviews. Check this out. Picking up some snacks during a very long drive, going very slowly because of all this rain. Stopped into a Circle K. I've never seen this before. $3.99. You know, beef jerky, beef snacks are expensive. I can't afford beef jerky anymore. I gotta get the beef snacks, the beef sticks. This is heavy as hell. How much does this weigh? Net weight 4 ounces, 113 grams. Can't be just 4 ounces. This feels heavy as shit. Cold crafted refrigerated smoked meat sticks made with 100% beef, loaded with pepper jack, pasteurized, processed Monterey Jack cheese with jalapeno peppers. Good Lord! Jack Slingston came up with beef stick, cheese-filled hot dog type deals. And for a penny less, you can get 4 times the amount of cheese-stuffed hot dogs. But is it socially acceptable to drive around eating cheese-stuffed hot dogs? And I'm excited about them. I'm gonna eat them later. I'll come back. I'll let you know how they taste. Ryan here, Silly Reviews. So I did crush the whole pack on the way home of these cold-crafted Jack Slinks pepper jack stuffed beef sticks. I would recommend them. They were delicious. Now, it is tempting to think about getting 4 times the amount of hot dogs. Again, social pressures.
Ryan here for Silly Reviews.